Guys, it's me again, I'm Ryan. It's been a while since my last review on the tune-up gears and also about the giveaway. When I have the time after exam, I'll let you guys know what giveaway will be for the 100 subscribers. At the moment, here we can have a look. It's power CB-46 power grip from the Crossfight B-daman, and as usual we have the logos WBMA, Takaratomi, Gangan, Hobby, and the Crossfight logo. As usual, you can see there's a Dracian. This Dracian is using the power grip, and you can also apply the handle. The bison grip at the back of this power grip. So basically you can hold it like that with fingers, and you can just have a roller around here to make it roll around it. And the usual, they have these stickers and all the assembling parts, which they should have done for you, so there shouldn't be a problem. And the do's and don'ts as usual. And what you can do, turn around, I'm going to show you later. As usually, you can touch the bison grip. And for the power grip, it has 7 in terms of control, because this is meant for controlling the shots, and it kind of boosts the power if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's a power type, sorry, this is 7 power type, mainly for power type, yeah. And the do's and don'ts as usual, and contact info. So the stickers here, if you guys want to see how it looks like out of curiosity, looks like these. I'm not gonna paste the stickers, I'm gonna leave it in the back. So this is what it looks like, and you can turn it like that, kind of like a gun, kind of handling the grip, and then just keep rolling it back and forth to do the shots. As a matter of fact, I prefer using burst bison for the demo. You know that burst bison are usually using bison grip without any string at it, and it's kind of fast shots like I done before for the first video. It's about the original B-daman that I did. It still works pretty fine, and you can even do it like that. You can put a barrier right here. Not sure you can see. Put further away. Normally, kind of hold the horn and then just shoot it like that. It's quite powerful. And also, we're gonna put this on. Here's the fun part. You can see this. This is where you gotta hook the bison grip, and just how is it done? I'm pretty sure it should be like that. Okay, let's see how it goes with the manual. Okay, I think I get it. So you can hook. Oh, we can hook it like that. Okay, so let's do it. Yeah. getting it in like so, and then all I gotta do is just look at the back of the burst bison. Voila. You will have your great shots at this review. So put to B-daman. Put it further a bit more. Then fire out. So you can grip it like that, or like that to shoot. It's kind of fun, it's kind of cool, and I hope you like it. I'm Ryan here, signing off. Bye.